Sir, this is for the time being the last of the bills with which Parliament has to deal so far as the reorganizations of states is concerned. The House has already passed the States Reorganization Bill and also the West Bengal Bihar Transfer of Territories Bill. Certain amendments were made and certain provisions were included in these two bills insofar as they bore on Articles 3 and 4 of the Constitution. As the House is aware, those provisions which are consequential or incidental could be included in those two acts, but there were some provisions in those two acts which had to be provided for in the Constitution itself. Such provisions have been included in this Constitution 7th Amendment Bill. Now advantage is also taken to incorporate certain other changes or amendments in the Constitution because it was considered that they too would have a very great bearing on the administration not only in the reconstituted states but in the other states as well. And therefore we are now dealing with the Constitution 7th Amendment Bill as it has been passed by the Lok Sabha. Certain changes were effected therein after this matter has been considered by the Joint Select Committee, and now I shall very briefly point out to this House the broad features of the bill as it has emerged from the Lok Sabha. So far as representation in the House of the People, in the Council of States or the Rajya Sabha and also in the state assemblies is concerned, due provision has been made. So far as the Rajya Sabha is concerned, the figure was fixed at 220 as will be found from the bill. So far as the Lok Sabha is concerned, therein we have got direct representation under adult franchise and 500 have been fixed as the maximum number so far as representation from all these states are concerned. And then ordinarily it was considered that 25 ought to be the number for representation in the Lok Sabha of elected members from what are known as the Union Territories. It was considered that the number 25 may not be necessary even if certain further political changes were also to take place, and therefore it was considered that 20 would be a fairly adequate number so far as the present Union Territories as also other areas that are likely to come to India are concerned.